I love my job because I have been intrigued by this company from the time it began in 2012, and I love the work environment. We're a team. We are not just co-workers. We're like family here, and we have that family type environment. I love the core values of ZeroRPM, and I just enjoy coming to work because of the people.
Right here in Cullman, Alabama, it's really neat to see how we're changing the world as far as idle mitigation is concerned. You know, this product being patented and founded by the general manager of ZeroRPM, it adds a little specialty to what we do, and there's a lot of pride that comes in with all the employees.
I love the family atmosphere. You come in and you basically coming home like to a family. Everyone's nice and understanding. If you have any kind of problems, they're willing to talk to you about it and help you through anything that's going on in your life, whether it's at home or at work, and just a family atmosphere.
We take pride. We pour our hearts into the batteries. It's all about pride.
I mean, good people to work for, and the co-workers are awesome too, so I like it.
With the battery packs being made in the United States and Alabama specifically, just from a supply standpoint, you're not having to wait on battery packs or from parts necessarily fully assembled coming in on sea freight containers from China. It's all here being assembled here. We're able to have more control here for quality. You have people you can call, get a hold of quickly, who can just walk to the manufacturing plant to see what's going on and to maybe even give you like an order status update. You're not having to call overseas to find out something that's going on with your pack. So there's a lot of advantages to something being made locally beyond quality, supply chain support. There's just multiple benefits to something being made in the United States.
People in Alabama are overly hospitable. Everybody here loves the fact that they still manufacture something that is made in America, which is few and far between these days, and are proud to say that they're a part of something that is so much bigger than them when it comes to the green initiative, as well as the sense of pride that they take in their work and the sense of teamwork that comes with that. Southern hospitality, everybody will give you the shirt off their back and go above and beyond to make sure that our customers' needs are met.